In this video, I will be showing you the current status of Perplexity AI's IPO and how you can gain exposure to the company. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Motley Fool website to see if Perplexity is publicly traded. As of late 2025, it's still a private company. It was founded in 2022 by experts from OpenAI and Google, and currently remains in a late-stage funding phase. I'm scrolling down to see when an IPO might happen. There are no official reports yet, and analysts suggest we may not see one until after 2028. This is typical for high-growth tech companies. Even giants like Uber took over a decade to go public. Next, I'm checking on profitability. In March 2025, Perplexity reached $100 million in annualized revenue. They are currently reinvesting their earnings into AI infrastructure and technology to expand their market share. Since I can't buy stock directly, I'm looking at indirect ways to invest. While venture capital is one path, a more accessible way is through ETFs that hold shares in Perplexity's major investors, like Nvidia or SoftBank. I'm scrolling through some of these funds now, including the Vanguard 500 and Invesco QQQ. These provide a way to benefit from the AI boom while waiting for an official IPO. Finally, I'm looking at the long-term potential. With interest from giants like Apple and Samsung, Perplexity is a major disruptor in the search market and a company to keep a close eye on. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.